Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare giant pinecone seed versus burning bud. We'll dive into the exciting world of Grow a Garden, examining two unique seeds. We'll uncover how to acquire each, their rarity, and the value they bring to your virtual farm. Get ready to optimize your planting strategy and maximize your in-game profits. First up, let's talk about the giant pinecone seed. This impressive prismatic tier plant is a multi-harvest crop, meaning it yields multiple fruits per growth cycle. You can acquire it from the seed shop for a hefty 55 million shekels, or 929 Robux. Each fruit boasts a base sell value of 100,000 shekels, making it a significant investment for serious players. Next, we have the burning bud. In contrast to the giant pinecone, this seed is quite common within Grow a Garden. Its widespread availability means its market value is considerably lower. Many players already possess it, and it can even be duplicated by pets like the red fox. It's a foundational seed, but not one for high-value returns. When comparing these two, the giant pinecone clearly stands out for its high earning potential, with each fruit selling for 100,000 shekels. It's a long-term investment for substantial profit. The burning bud, however, is more of a common collectible, offering little in terms of financial gain. For maximizing your garden's wealth, prioritize the rare giant pinecone, while the burning bud serves as an easy addition to your collection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.